We need to assemble a timber loader. Done! And now let's load the details for rails onto the timber loader. Keep it up. Let's prepare new rails and sleepers for the replacement. We need to wash the timber loader. We did it! Let's assemble the crane. That's all. Let's fuel the crane. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's replace the old rails. We need to fix a crack on the crane. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. Keep up the good work. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a rail grinder. Hooray! Let's fuel the rail grinder. Press the pump. Ready. Let's polish the new rails to a shine. Let's wash the rail grinder. That's all. We need to assemble a demolition excavator. Done! And now we need to fuel the demolition excavator. Pump. Don't stop. Let's bring down the old building. We need to fix a crack on the demolition excavator. Keep up the good work. And now let's grind the seam. Don't stop. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Keep it up. We need to assemble the flat car. Ready. And now let's load the materials for the railway crossing onto the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's remove the demolition waste and construct a new building. Let's wash the flat car. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Keep it up. Let's install the roof for the railway crossing. We need to fix a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. And now let's grind the seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Don't stop. Let's assemble the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's load the traffic lights and crossing gates onto the mine cart. Hooray! We need traffic lights and crossing gates to regulate traffic on the crossing. We need to wash the dracene. Don't stop. Let's assemble a traction locomotive. Done! And now we need to fuel the traction locomotive. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's check the work of traffic lights and crossing gates. We need to fix a crack on the traction locomotive. Keep it up. And now let's grind the seam. Amazing! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. A train is approaching the crossing. Let's put the gates down to avoid an accident. Good job! Now cars can cross the railroad safely.